Otherwise, he said he'll bash me.
No, whatever.
Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. The sun is rising here in Australia. And we got some little slab to do, a little extension it looks like. Let's go, hope you enjoy. Okay, we're away. We got concrete. Look, there's just one bay wide all the way back. Let's go. Plain concrete. We're at Derek's house. Let's go.
Vibrate on where? Vibrate the concrete down the chute, but it segregates it all.
Ah. Never seen it before. Yeah.
What do you want to do? You want to get that one big street up?
Yeah. I'll go get it. Where is it?
Time's good.
Okay, yeah.
You get that and I'll start.
Yeah. A little bit, yeah.
Well, mate, up to you. See how it goes, I suppose. Doesn't feel like weed, might be alright.
Feel like shit, huh? The rock's too big. Hey? The rock's too big. Yeah, it's just fucking right. Yeah, it's like it's got fucking.
Alright. Just do that bit. Keep moving back. The concrete's really shit. It's got a really big stone in it. Yeah, gross. Gross. Okay, that's the first cut down. Boom, boom, boom. Just squared all this with a 12 footer then. And I'm saying, concrete shit, it's like got really big stone. It's like probably 40 mil stone or something. And it feels like dirty water. Shit. Just got this bit to go now. Boys to put the boxing up. These guys want to see us box up. Well, yeah, there's a bit of boxing up. All right. Okay, she's in. 2 trucks, one in this one. And we've got another one over there. Okay, now we are going to do this bit. We've got Joshy. Joshy, the concrete truck driver. Wheelbarrowing this back bit in. Oh, it's just crap. Maybe we're using the 10 footers this time, not the 12 footers. Alright guys, it's 7:30. And we got this one in now too. Sorry I didn't show you too much, but oh well. I'm just here to help him put it in. Lance just found that out. He's fucking pissed. Simon just gets me and says, come on, just come help us put it in. And then he wants me to make me stay. But not today.
Yes.
You got this, Lance.
Come on, folks, tell him to stay. Get on
No.
now, tell him to stay.
Leave a comment. Too bad I'll be at home making this video and I'll be already gone. I like your heart, Lance. What's happening there? What are your hands
Oh,
doing?
mate, been wiping Simon's ass.
He doesn't concrete that much. Not like mine, Lance's ass. Like real concrete does come out our ass.
I got that way, I ship banter block now.
The brick companies ring me up, mate. They need a load of better blocks. Yeah, I'll shit one out tomorrow. I'll shit one out in the morning, mate.
I just go like this, and I'll make a knockout block.
Oh! A little nugget.
The 8-inch blocks are the worst. The 8-inch I can push you to 6-inch out, okay, 8-inch blocks don't hurt.
Oh, yeah. How you going, Ethan? Hello to Ethan there.
Yeah, the boy. He's gel blasting today.
Gel blasting, is he? Lucky bugger. Ah.
Yeah, he does. He had a bet on the football grand final of one of his carers.
Yeah.
Big Phil. And they lost.
Oh, no.
Ethan got $50 out of him.
Oh, he won. Oh, Ethan won. Oh,
Lost, he got $50.
sweet. He's got to work that out.
He should. He spends all year on it.
Knowing what's going on, yeah.
Yeah, he follows every team.
Yeah. Statistical.
He's doing good and new shit. I think he only missed out on half a dozen games all year on his tipping.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I reckon if he had been in a proper comp, man, he would have done well.
Yep.
He might have took it out.
Yep. All right, cool. That's it. Good times. I'm going. All right, guys, that's the end of my day. These boys are going to be right. You're in the shade. You got a broom finish over there. A little bit of edging. And you got a rebate to do there, Lance.
Yeah, proper door cut out.
Proper door cut out. And that's it. But it's Saturday here. It's only about 8 o'clock right now. So yeah, I'm out of here. I'm sweaty. I didn't bring no lunch, didn't bring no food to hang out with these guys. So I'm going home. They ain't got me there helping Paul, and I get to go home. They've done it to me 3 times lately. They've told me to come and help Paul, and they don't let me go home. So this time I'm running. All right,
got
see
his
ya.
keys, everybody. I've got his keys.
He's trying to steal my keys, he reckons. You wish, Lance. All right, guys. And with my cigarettes, I have been trying not to smoke at all. I've been, the worst I've ever done is about maybe 4 cigarettes in a day. I only try to do 2 cigarettes if I can. Like today, I've already had 3 cigarettes already. Well, that's bad. So, not going to count today. But yeah, keep up with me. Keep telling me to I can keep giving up, and I will give up. Because all you guys encouraging me has made me give up a lot so far. So I need your encouragement. I need to keep posting it every day and showing you guys my progress. Oh, you bugger. And they smell so good. Bye. All right, I just washed all the tools up. Lance making out he washed them up, but I washed them up, didn't I, Lance? Tell him the truth. Yeah, Simon took a video of it. He won't send it to me, but he doesn't want me think that I did all the work.
I have to say yes, otherwise he said he'll bash me.
No, whatever. All right, see you guys.